In Shenzhen, China's deep tech innovation epicenter, we are building a future connecting platform for global innovators. Chaihuo Makerspace, the open-source deep tech superhub of the Greater Bay Area. Since 2011, we have been continuously iterating not only our 500 square meters physical space, but also a full chain empowerment ecosystem that bridges prototype development to industrial implementation. Here, the equipment room enables 48 hours development from concept to prototype through direct connections with 100+ Greater Bay Area core factories, bypassing supply chain delays. Continuously evolving AIoT technology integrates Shenzhen's smart hardware solutions, bridging technological gaps for innovations. Monthly cross-disciplinary collisions spark dialogues between architects and embedded developers, ally industrial designers with algorithm engineers, and unite art designers with hardware engineers. This is the hub where industry silos dissolve, a plug-and-play innovation hub for entrepreneurs in sprint mode. 15 minutes to Waqiangbei Electronics Market, 1 hour to the Greater Bay Area supply chain ecosystem. At Chaihuo, every workstation is a gateway to industrial resources, every event an ignition point for tech revolutions. True innovation thrives at the intersection of disciplines. Walk in with tech-driven uncertainties. Walk out harnessing the collective momentum of Shenzhen's industry. Join Chaihuo membership. Access tailored supply chains. Secure priority tech session access. And unlock the Greater Bay Area industry map. The next changing prototype, it's here.